Monitor your online presence. Regularly check what is being said about you or your business on search engines, social media, review sites, and forums. Use monitoring tools to stay updated on mentions. This helps in catching negative content early. Engage actively. Respond to both positive and negative feedback in a professional and courteous manner. Acknowledging customer reviews shows that you value feedback and are committed to customer satisfaction. This can turn negative experiences into positive ones. Encourage positive reviews. Motivate satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms where your business is listed. Provide them with easy methods to leave feedback, ensuring they have a good experience to share. Content creation and SEO. Create and optimize positive content about yourself or your business. This includes blog posts, press releases, and social media content. Use SEO strategies to ensure this content ranks well in search results, pushing down or diminishing the visibility of negative content. Social media management. Maintain active, engaging social media profiles where you share updates, achievements, and positive customer stories. Social media can help in shaping a positive public perception and can be used to communicate directly with your audience. Legal actions for false information. If you encounter false or defamatory content, consider legal options. This might include sending a cease and desist letter or, in more severe cases, pursuing litigation. However, always consult with a legal expert before proceeding. Crisis management. Have a plan for handling crises. This includes having prepped responses for negative publicity and knowing when to involve PR professionals to manage the narrative around your brand or personal image. Transparency and authenticity. Be open about your business practices or personal stances. Transparency can build trust, and addressing issues honestly can mitigate the impact of negative feedback. Educate your team. If you run a business, ensure your team understands the importance of maintaining a positive online reputation. All members should be trained on how to interact online to reflect positively on the business. Use ORM services. Sometimes professional help can be invaluable, especially if you're dealing with a significant reputational issue. ORM service providers can offer strategies like search suppression, content creation, and managing digital PR. Regularly update information. Keep your business listings, social media profiles, and websites updated with current, accurate information. This prevents misinformation and helps in presenting a professional online image. Leverage influencer partnerships. Partner with influencers who align with your brand values to enhance your reputation through their networks. This can boost your visibility and credibility. Proactive reputation building. Don't wait for negative feedback to start managing your reputation. Build a strong base of positive content and interactions online to overshadow any potential negative remarks. Feedback loop. Use feedback to improve your services or products. This not only helps in addressing current issues but also prevents future negative reputation incidents by showing a commitment to improvement. Privacy and security. Ensure personal or sensitive business information isn't easily accessible online. This can prevent issues like identity theft or data breaches, which can severely damage reputation. Remember, managing an online reputation is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and adaptation to new digital trends and platforms.